Let us now discuss about the sign convention for mirror formula. As we have recently studied that mirror formula is given as 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f. And here u and v are object image distances from pole and f is the focal length of the mirror. And we have studied that here u, v and f are used with proper signs according to the sign convention used. Now there are varieties of sign conventions which are generally used in various situations, but here I am going to discuss about two sign conventions. Either of the two you can use. And here the sign convention for proper signs of u, v and f we use is sign convention 1. We use by taking pole of mirror as origin, and we consider direction of incident ray on mirror as positive direction. Like say we are given with a mirror like this, and say there is a concave mirror. Here we consider the pole of mirror at origin, and the two sides there are two axes, and if say an object is placed here, incident ray will be moving from right to left. And in this situation, this direction we consider as plus x-axis and this as minus x-axis. And for the orientation of object and image, we can also consider plus y and minus y axis, but these are rarely used. So this is the way how we use the sign convention. In this situation, as object is located on the minus x-axis, here we take u to be negative. And as focus of this mirror is also on the negative x-axis, here f will also be taken as negative. On substituting the values of u and f in the mirror formula, whichever value of v we are getting, correspondingly we can locate the image. If it is positive, then image is virtual and located behind the mirror. If it is negative, then it is on the right side of mirror. This is the most common coordinate convention which is used in a variety of books. Another sign convention we use is the simple coordinate convention. This is based on the direction of incident ray. And in the second sign convention, again the first point remains same here. Taking pole of mirror as the origin of the coordinate system. And the beauty of the sign convention is you can consider any direction as positive and other negative. And in this situation we must be very careful about the whole reflection process. Whichever direction you choose, that should remain same. Like for example, in the same situation here, if this is the mirror, our general convention which we take is from the origin. On the right hand side we consider plus x-axis, on left hand side it is minus x-axis. So no matter whether mirror is facing toward right or facing toward left, in general you can always take right side as positive x-axis and left side as negative x-axis. This will always be comfortable for you. Similarly for y-axis, if required, you can take these as plus y and minus y. So here if an object is placed on the plus x-axis, here we take u as positive, and the focal length as focus point is located on plus x-axis. Here we can take f as positive. If the mirror would be facing on the left hand side, we could have taken both u and f negative, because the points O as well as F will lie on the negative axis. So depending on various situations, we can change the direction also. And in these analysis of lectures for image formation by spherical mirrors, I am going to use the second convention. Whereas if you wish, by using convention 1, you can verify the results, and whichever convention you are comfortable, you can use that.